Some parsley on top of that. Okay, not only that, we are going to add some basil. Hold on a second. I have my basil that I have here is so good. I love it. Everybody wants some of my basil. Here it is, my basil leaves. Smell that, Michael. I'm not lying. How does that smell? Like the sweetness this basil has. It's aromatic.
That's right.
And as you can see, now, here we go. Now we're going to simmer this. Just like that. We're going to put a little bit more of a basil on this side.
Basil.
And, oh, wait a second. Sorry about that, guys. Let me move it again. See? And I'm going to serve Michael. You want me to serve you in a little bowl, Mike?
That's right.
So Michael can, and I want you guys to see. So this is my sausage, beef sausage, and Ziti. And I'm going to tell you, I've never made it before, but this tastes so, I taste the sauce. Been eating the sausage. You can see in this plate, I have some sausage. There's a little tiny bit there for me, which I'm going to fry more for me. I'm going to mix it with those veggies. I'm coming, Mike. Oh. I'm gonna be eating with that corn, right?
That's right. Corn it up, okay. Corn it up.
So let's get Mike a little bowl, right, Mike?
That's right.
I'm gonna put it in here. I think we should put it in a white plate. And one of these bowls, because for some reason these bowls make the food look very, very pretty. Don't you think so?
That's right.
Yeah. Tell me how much you want, my son.
A good amount.
Okay, and I will comply. My son is trying to gain weight. Remember I told you I took him for a haircut today?
That's right.
Yeah, he looks totally different. Very handsome.
That's right, we're going to show you.
So, just to like serve it so it can look pretty, Michael. If you put a lot, it really doesn't look. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, that's so pretty. Can I take a picture?
You will in a second. I'm going to put it over there. And with this, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Then I'm going to turn the camera around, okay? After I say everything, I'm done finishing here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. Like us on Instagram, on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. We're on Instagram. I'm sorry, Pinterest, Google+.
That's right.
I mean, everywhere you can go down. If you're interested in getting some good food for your puppies, cats, and doggies, go to liveabundance.com/for-all. That will take you to my link of dog food, and you can check there what you need or don't need, and it's very great. I'm giving you 100% guarantee. The food is amazing. I give it to my 2 little guys, and they love it. Look how they are. And they just love that dog food. But with that, here's your sausage, beef sausage, and Ziti for your dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoy and love it. And today is
beautiful.
Wednesday, so happy Hump Day, Hump Wednesday, right, Michael?
That's right.
Happy Hump Wednesday. And I'm gonna turn the camera around. Michael, give me that camera. So I'm gonna record Michael. Here's the thing, eating. So you guys can tell me what do you guys think about Michael and his new haircut look that I gave him. Okay, hold on a second. Turning the camera around. There we go. Say hello to everybody, Michael.
Hello, everyone.
That's right.
Here's short.
So, it's short, but he looks good. Do a 360. Do a 360.
Don't like a ruffian?
Real quick. Yeah, there you go.
Let me try.
Okay, eat that and let everybody know, Mike.
So here's the sausage.
Okay, here he goes, guys.
Very Italian.
So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Say hello to everybody, Mike.
Hey, everyone.
And with that, over and out. Here you go, Mike.
Yeah.
Over and out. Woo!